This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Leon McDaniel. Handyman Special, Price to Sell. This 3-bedroom, 2-bath split floor plan offers spacious living, dining, and family room areas, ready for your vision. Transform this home into your dream space with a full renovation. A unique mantle from the former fireplace adds character and charm. Don't miss this opportunity to create something special. For more information, review the details below or contact Leon McDaniel at 321-480-0548.